Google Apps and Office 365 are parallel software platforms that offer similar programs and features. Both services have online storage, enabling you to save your documents to the cloud, meaning that you can sign on and access them from any internet-enabled device. Microsoft's online storage is known as OneDrive, while Google's is named Google Drive. At Linmar, you're given access to both services and encouraged to know how to use both. Some teachers may require you to use one specific platform, while others may give you the choice. The one thing that is universal among all teachers, though, is email. While Gmail is accessible, it will not allow you to receive new messages. Microsoft Outlook is the district's email program, and teachers will expect you to use your Linmar-provided email account in communications with them. Please follow these procedures and check your Linmar email regularly. We also want to make sure that you're all aware of the fact that if you need an up-to-date version of Microsoft Office or any of its apps, you can download them here, where it says Install Office 2016. You're allowed to download this on up to 5 PCs and Macs, plus 5 tablets, which includes iPads.
The last thing we want to point out in Microsoft is how to save a document to OneDrive. When you create a Word doc, Excel spreadsheet, or PowerPoint presentation, you will notice that you're already signed into your Microsoft account by seeing your name in the upper right-hand corner. To save it to the cloud, use the File menu and choose Save As and select the location entitled Computer under the This PC or Browse menus. Then look for OneDrive for Business, labeled as the O drive. If you have a folder already created here, it should appear. Otherwise, save it to this main location and you can organize it later. It now can be accessed from any device through your OneDrive account or app. Multiple people can also be working on it simultaneously, but please note that changes made between users lags on the Microsoft applications more than on your typical Google Doc. If you want to open the document from your OneDrive account and make changes, you can do so. You can choose from either a scaled-down version of the Office application, which is completely online, or you can download the document directly into the more robust application it was created in. Once saved and open from OneDrive, changes will be saved automatically. Please take a moment now to log into both Google Apps and Microsoft Office 365.
At Linmar High School, you are welcome to use your cell phone during passing time, lunch, and before and after school. Please always respect others around you and never use it while in the restrooms or locker rooms. Also, be aware that there is not a universal classroom policy, and because of this, teachers have different expectations on cell phone use. Some may have you use them in class regularly, while others would rather you leave them at home. No one follow each teacher's policy. They do have the right to confiscate it if you choose not to. Finally, we have a few apps that we think might make your life a little more organized and a little less chaotic as you start the beginning of the school year. The first, of course, is PowerSchool. Keep up to date with how you're doing in each of your classes using the PowerSchool app. If you're downloading it for the first time, the school code that you will need to use is LWKS. Some of your teachers may also be using PowerSchool Learning this year. PowerSchool Learning is a learning management software platform that allows teachers to share content and other resources with you in a digital format. The last two apps are both cloud-based storage apps from Google and Microsoft. In Google Drive, you can expect to find Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and even Google Forms to be able to access at your convenience. In the Microsoft OneDrive, you can save Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote files for you to easily access on your phone and other digital devices. And if you're a heavy user of your cell phone for more than just communicating, You may also want to think about downloading any of the Google apps or Microsoft apps that are shown. This will enable you to create and edit content on the fly.